Hi everyone, this is Catherine. So today I'm back in Michael's and I'm just having a browse through all of the Easter crafts today. So they've got tons to choose from, and one of the things that I love that they have at Michael's are these super cute craft kits. So they have so many neat designs, and they're at really good prices. So here are some of the crafts that you can make. Like, these are all for kids, but I just think that they're super cute. So I just wanted to show you them in case you've got some kids at home or you need to buy some gifts to entertain some kids. So they've got a whole bunch with like foam or like gluing some pom poms together and things. So and they're all pretty reasonably priced. I think you can get a nice kit for under $10. So here's some fun Easter toys. I got really distracted by this squishy chick. It had a little light in it. And here's some wind up Easter bunnies. They had a whole bunch of cool little toys. And I find these are good, like if you're making up like a gift basket for someone with some candy in it. It's fun to throw one of these in there. And so they're not just for kids. Like, I think it's a funny little gift to throw in for a friend as well. So they had lots of fun toys. Those notepads are about $1.49 and the glitter sticks were $7.99. And they also have a bunch of little toys here. These are little rubber ducks for $4.99. And here's some little, like, these are bouncing balls for $4.99. So they had lots of fun toys, and they were pretty good prices. Like this little watch, this little ring was just $1.49. So I thought these were really cool. They were giant eggs. They came in sets of 3, so I think they'd be really fun for home decor, or if you have some really awesome like egg hunt, you could hide some giant eggs in the backyard. And well, I hope you found some cool ideas for creating some of your Easter baskets and gifts. And make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. And I'll see you next time.